Good morning, my dear children. Today we learn file operations on binary files. As we know that binary files have extension .dat, and in binary files we store data in the form of bytes, and the data which stored in a binary files are images, audios and videos, etc. So if you want to write any structure like a list or a dictionary to a binary file, or to perform read operations on a binary file, we need to use Python module, which is known as Pickle. And Pickle is a module which is used to perform read or a write operations on binary files. If you want to write a list or a dictionary, we require Pickle, and if you want to read data from a binary file, we again need Pickle. So there are two processes. First is pickling and second is unpickling. Pickling refers to the process of converting the structure to a byte stream. Means if we are using list, what pickling do? In pickling the process is what is pickling? Pickling is a process, means we are converting the list or a dictionary into a byte stream, and before writing to the file, because we know that in binary file data is stored in the form of bytes. And unpickling is the reverse process. In unpickling, if we want to read the data from a file, then unpickling take place. In this, the byte stream is converted into the original structure. Suppose if the original structure is in the form of a list, then what unpickling do? It converts the byte stream into list or a dictionary. Now we use dump method to for creating or writing any object in a binary file. Syntax of dump is pickle.dump, and the object we want to write in a file, and file object is the file handler or the file variable. For example, take the example, we want to do a program. We are writing a structure. Suppose we are writing a list sequence in a binary file. First of all, we write a def function. We define a function, and we have taken a keyword def. Then FOP is the function name. Then first of all, we will import pickle, because pickle module is required for reading or writing operations in a binary file. Suppose we have taken a list L, because we are writing a structure in a list, and the elements of the list are 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the elements of the list. Then first of all, open the file. Why we are opening the file? Because we have to write in a file. First of all, we have opened the file. Open, then write the name of the file. Suppose our file is test.dat. The file which we are opening is test.dat, and we are opening a file in a write mode. Now here I had written WB. WB means I'm using the access mode. WB means I'm opening the file in a write mode, and B is for the binary file. If I write single W, it means I'm opening a text file. Now write pickle.module, pickle.dump, because dump is the function which is used to write data into the file. Now the object name is L, and the file handler name is F. So this way we can write data into the file. Then print list is added into the file. List is added to the binary file. In this way, I can write data in a binary file. Then f.close. So in this way, we can write data into the binary file by using a dump function. So what pickles do? Why pickle module is required? Pickle module is required to perform read and write operations on a binary file, and dump is a function which is used to write or create a object in a binary file. What WB do? WB is in access mode. If file already exists, then it overwrite the data, and if file does not exist, it create that file. So we use dump function to write data into a binary file, and we learn read operation in our next class. So thank you, students.